From virtual reality to augmented experiences, are you ready? Welcome to the XR Club, a video series brought to you by Miracles Innovation Labs.
Welcome to the XR Club video series.
My name is Jared McKenzie. Today we'll be talking about WebGL 2.0 with our app WebGL Home. This allows you to tour and design a new home in a web browser. We'll go over a bit about what WebGL 2.0 is, its capabilities and limits, how to build assets for the web, and how we set up our home for this application. So first, what is WebGL 2.0? It is a JavaScript API for rendering high-performance interactive 3D and 2D graphics within any capable web browser without requiring additional plugins. So what that means is you can deploy your app to your website and then access it from any compatible web browser on any device. The WebGL platform gives instant 3D rendering in a web browser across many platforms. The content is embedded in the website and is fully interactive. So what are some capabilities and limits? WebGL 2.0 gives developers the ability to create high-quality interactive graphics that can be accessed from the most popular web browsers. And since it's a website, the same content will be viewed across multiple devices. Some limits include WebGL and 2.0 and 1.0 are not fully forwards and backwards compatible, so that is something to keep in mind when you're developing for WebGL. It is not supported by all browsers, and it is not supported by iOS. WebGL 1.0 was, WebGL 2.0 is not. So how do we build the assets for this type of deployment? After we've planned out our scenario and we're ready to start building our application, we create the 3D models using low poly modeling, integrate with the WebGL app. We set up any sort of interactions that we may have. So for our app, we have the ability to change some of the surfaces or the flooring or add or remove appliances. So we create those applications and then we simply deploy it to the web. And then to access it, we go to our website from any device, any compatible device, I should say, and we can tour and design our home. Our app provides a lifelike representation of a home that can be viewed from any device. We scaled it at a 1-to-1 scale to give the user a impression of realism, though with a web browser it is still somewhat awkward for the scale. Utilize high definition rendering and Unity's universal render pipeline. This is a method to create high definition graphics at low cost. When you're deploying to WebGL, you want to keep your application as small as possible as it'll increase load time. Users can move anywhere in the room, view the room from any location or angle. So when we're designing this, we want to make sure that we don't leave any open models and that things are seated correctly and appropriately to make the illusion of realism. Users can switch through the different tiers and change textures. They use some interactions and see the different capabilities of the actual room that they're designing. So perhaps they don't necessarily want to pay the extra for the in-cabinet microwave. They can see what it looked like with or without that, which you'll see shortly in the video. So as you can see from the screenshots, it's the same room. We've just changed some different aspects of it to give the user a better look at what they can expect out of their home that they're looking to buy. And here's the demo. Enjoy. Hello. Today I'm going to show you our WebGL virtual home tour. We have 2 thumbsticks to drive our camera around the scene to view the virtual experience from anywhere. We have a panel on the side to show all of our different options for this. As you can see at the bottom, the total is updating based on what you choose. So you can fully customize your virtual home how you like and see the total reflected immediately. And like I said, this is a web app, so this can be done here or on a computer or a tablet. This is done in WebGL 2.0. which is to note because some devices are not compatible with that. Thank you for watching.
Thanks for joining the XR Club, a video series brought to you by Miracles Innovation Labs.